Welcome to Kharis Tutorials. I'm Simeon. I'll be showing you how to cut and how to sew your gele. You don't necessarily have to be a fashion designer to be able to do this, and with or without your machine, you should be able to do this from your home. If this is your first time on this channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the bell as well to get notified anytime we upload a new video. So let's move on. Alright, this is my gele. Gele comes in 7 pieces, and 3 is for the main gele and the other 4 is for the wrapper. That's what the Yoruba call ipele. Now this is how it comes normally, and all you're going to do is to cut and I'm also going to cut the other hand. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now this 3 is for the gele. That's the head tie, and this is the wrapper, the ipele. So to join this, I'm going to bring 1. This is the first one, and the next one is going to be on the top. Going to be at the very top of this, and I'll be sewing on the edge, this very edge, the edge of the next piece is what I'll be sewing, and it's going to be on top. So you can use your hand needle, make sure to hold it firm. I'll be using machine to run this, so you can just run it at the very edge. That's the next one, and the next one, that's the third one, comes again, and it's going to be on top of the second layer, and also it's going to be at the very edge, and also the fourth one. So this is going to be like this. Then I'll also join the 3 pieces separately, whereby after doing that, then I'll come back to fold the edge of the gele. The 2 ends I'll fold, and that is going to be the hand. It's very easy to do. So with or without your machine, you can do this, and you don't need to be a fashion designer before you can do this. So let me just run it, and I'll show you the hand product of it afterwards. Alright, so the way I've explained, I'm just going to join now. I'll join 3 separately, then 4 together as well. So I'm going to trim it so as to be equal. And I'll fold the edges. And whatever I've done here, I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other gele. That's the 3. Also, I'm going to join it together, and that's all. Okay, so that is what we're going to have. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, at Twitter, at Africa TV. Follow me on Facebook and on Instagram at Kharis Kreations. Till I see you next class. Bye.